3, 2, 1.
Are you Vincent by chance?
No.
Okay. In the pink shirt.
I don't know.
Hey, he's saying he's on the 1300 block of Washington Street.
We're gonna escort you up, and then you can go ahead and vacate the premises.
You're being trespassed at this hotel.
Me?
Yes.
Apparently he's running cops over the place.
I was supposed to pick up. He's not answering.
Yeah, I think Vince was arrested. Dude, how do you know about this shit?
We were watching, we was on stream. We can't.
Search party out for Vince right now.
Gang.
Alright, bring me to Vince. Chad, Vince is in the fucking cop car right now. Vince, are you okay?
All right, let me.
What's going on with Vince right now?